Ready to turn your TikTok obsession into a revenue stream? Let's dive into whether TikTok Shop is actually a viable option for UK creators and businesses right now. First, open your TikTok app. We need to see if you even have access to the shop features. Tap the three horizontal lines, usually located in the top right corner of your profile. This opens your settings menu. Look for either Creator Tools or Business Suite if you have a personal account. It might say Creator Tools if you've already switched to a business account. It'll say Business Suite. Tap whichever one you see. Now, this is the crucial step within Creator Tools or Business Suite. Scan the options for TikTok Shop. If you see it, congratulations. You have access. If you don't see it, TikTok Shop may not be fully rolled out to your account yet. Don't worry. There are things you can do. Next, let's head over to Google, search TikTok Shop Seller Center UK. Even if you don't see the shop in your app, explore the Seller Center website, read through the terms of service, product eligibility requirements, and all the operational guidelines specific to the UK. This will give you a clear picture of how the shop functions in the UK. Stay tuned for more updates as TikTok Shop evolves in the UK. Use hashtag TikTokUK and hashtag online retail to share your experience.